What is up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It is Allie. Make sure you subscribe down below if you are not already. I have a super exciting video for you today that includes this beauty right here. So, inside that beautiful box, we have all 4 of the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe Vault palettes. So, Ring the Alarm, Bling Boss, Armed and Gorgeous, and Dark Magic. All of these are probably going to look a little gross. Not gross, but just not perfect. Like they are brand new because I have been playing in these. Because I wanted to be able to give you guys a little information on them before I filmed with them. So, I think Ring the Alarm is the only one I haven't really played with them that much yet. The other ones I have created a full look from each of these 3. So, of course, Ring the Alarm is the more red palette, Bling Boss is the purple palette, Armed and Gorgeous is the yellow, and Dark Magic is the blues and greens. So, I have on tiny earrings today, and I don't know how to feel about it, and this hat, I don't know what I'm doing today. So just bear with me. I'm going to swatch these. So I'm going to do the first row and then the second row. So these right here are all the swatches for the Dark Magic palette. I have dirty fingers. I did play with this palette last night actually, and I did a look using this kind of pukey green right here, this green, the shade, and then I used the gold from the Armed and Gorgeous palette. So I am just going to wipe these off and move on to swatching the next palette. So the next palette is going to be Armed and Gorgeous actually. So this palette is probably one of, if not my favorite right now, because y'all know we are going into fall and this palette is fall all over. Oh my gosh, it is incredible, amazing, like everything I could ask for in the perfect fall palette. Like, you have the olive green, the oranges, the browns, the orangey browns, the golds, and the shimmer shades are literally so creamy and delicious. Like, tell me that just doesn't look like fall on my arm. It is incredible. The next palette is going to be Bling Boss, which is the purple palette. So this definitely has some shades as well that have just completely stolen my heart for fall. Like this shade on my pinky right here, Pizzazz, it's not picking up. There it goes. It is like the perfect like shimmer, chrome. I don't even know what the finish is on this, but it is incredible. I have never seen a better like maroon burgundy shimmer shade than this one. Okay, so this is Bling Boss. I'm not really sure how to hold it to like get it where you guys can see, but hang on just one second. This last shade right here, Berry Treasure, has like, so the final palette to swatch is Ring the Alarm. So all of these are also like the best fall shades that I have seen. Like these plums and maroons and burgundies and like oranges and chestnuts. They are all just absolutely incredible. So this is Ring the Alarm. Tell me that doesn't look like fall. Like, it just looks like fall to me. Okay, so I'm going to wipe these off really quick and then talk to you guys a little bit about what I have learned while I have been using these palettes the last few days. So, like I said, Ring the Alarm I haven't really played with that much. But Bling Boss, I did do a look for a job interview I went to using this shade and then this one. And it was absolutely stunning. And my interviewer was really impressed with my makeup, so that was also a plus. Armed and Gorgeous, I did a look with last night, I believe, using this, and this. And then last night as well, I did a look using this, and the gold from the previous palette. So one thing that I learned is that this green right here takes some layers to build up to a good seamless coverage, which I wasn't really worried about because I used it as a transition to get to this deeper green. But I just wanted to let you guys know that if you were going to use this as your whole like finished look, that you do need a few layers. So this green blends out like a dream. I am so obsessed with it. I just don't even know how to describe it. Like, I did a cut crease using that and Coin from this palette, this one right here. And then I went in with some silver glitter liner and black wing liner. Yeah, I was obsessed. I don't normally do cut creases, but I did a cut crease using that and loved it. So yeah, so that is my unboxing and a little review. I will be doing tutorials using all of these palettes coming soon on my channel. This one's upside down. I'm going to be doing tutorials using these palettes. All 4 of them, obviously, because they are all 4 incredible. So if you guys just let me know what you would like to see first or what colors you would like to see, comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video.